Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start exercise 1.1 of chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. In that, first question is filling the blanks. Now, some blanks are given and you have to solve these blanks and then you have to put the answers. In that, A sum is 1 lakh equals to dash 10,000. Now, the question is how many 10,000 makes 1 lakh? How you will find out? Like this. In 1 lakh we know that there are 5 zeros. So 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros are there. Then we will put this dash and how many zeros are there in 10,000? So there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros are there. Now simply what you have to do is you make a cut on this. 1 0 up and here down. Like this. What answer you are getting? That is 10. So the answer is we need 10,000 to make 1 lakh. Similarly, look at the question number B. 1 million equals to dash 100,000. Now, how many zeros are there in 1 million? So the answer to this question is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many zeros are there in 100,000? The answer is 5. So simply we will cut the zeros like this, and what answer we are getting is 10. So we will write it here. So the meaning of this question is we need 100,000 to make 1 million. Students, try to solve the remaining blanks of question number 1 by yourself. Moving to question number 2, that is place commas correctly and write the numerals. What you have to do is you have to place the commas and then you have to write the answer in numeral form. Now the question is how you will place the commas according to Indian system or international system. So first you have to read the sum number A, and in that reading you will get to know how you have to place the commas. Now A sum is 73 lakh. Now see, there is lakh in the sum and we know that the lakh are in Indian system of numeration, not in international. So you have to place the commas according to Indian system of numeration. So I am reading the question again. 73 lakh 75,307. Now we will write as 73 lakh 75,307. And how you will place the comma? We know that in the first period there is comma after 3 places. So first we will place our comma here, and after that set here, second place. And I have already discussed these things in my previous slides. Now moving to sum number B, that is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. In this, look at the answer, that is 9 crores. Here is 5 lakh, not 15 or 50. It's 5 lakh. So we will put 0 over here, 5 over here, and then there is no 1000 in the question. No 20,000, 30,000, nothing was there. Directly 41 is given. So at the place of 10,000 or 1000 we will put 2 zeros, and no 100 is also there. 100 is also not there. See, so we will put 0 at the place of 100 and we will write 41. Look at the answer now. 9 crore 5 lakh 41, and we will place our first comma over here and our next comma over here. Students, now moving to the next question, that is question number 3. In it, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Now in this question it is clearly mentioned that you have to put the commas according to Indian system of numeration. Now in A sum it is 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 6, 2. Now how you will put the commas? First simply copy the numbers below, and in that see the number. First number is here, it is 2. It is at the place of ones, then tens, then hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. As discussed in the previous slide, I told you that according to Indian system of numeration, we are at the first period we will place the commas at the third place. So first comma is here, second one is here, and the third one is here. And how you will write it? As 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. Students, moving to our next question, that is question number 4. In this, what you have to do is insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Now this thing is new for you, as you have not learned International System of Numeration in class 5. In previous video of mine, I have prepared a table to make that thing clear to you, and I have given an example also in that slide. So just have a look on it and try to make it clear. Here the first sum is 78921092. What you have to do is simply copy the question over here. And how you will place the commas now? First, learn which number is at which place. 2 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place, 100 place is empty, that is there is 0 in it. Then 1 is at 1,000 place, 2 is at 10,000 place, 9 is at 100,000 place, 8 is at millions place, and 7 is at 10 million place. How you will place the commas now? As I told you, in international system, the commas are placed after 3 digits. So first comma is here and the second one is here. Now how you will read it? As 78,921,092. Similarly, in B sum, the number is 7452283. Simply copy the number over here and put a comma. As I told you previously that we have to place a comma after 3 numbers like this and like this. Now how you will read it? As 7,004,000. Okay, and thank you.